The SMS inbox is a component that can be added to a number of places within Salesforce that provides you with real-time visibility of any inbound messages that are being received by Mercury as they are received. You can add the SMS inbox to the Salesforce Classic sidebar to any Lightning page within Lightning Experience. You can add it to your Salesforce One mobile app, and you can also configure it to work with the console, so whether that's the Sales Console or Service Cloud Console. So let's take a quick look at what the SMS inbox offers us. So you can see here on the screen we can see an example of the SMS inbox, and we can see a number of messages that have already been received. So for each one we can see the message detail contained in the blue bubble. Above that we can see the object that the record relates to. We have a link directly to the record. We can see the date and time that the message was received. And if we click on the eye icon, we can jump through directly to the task record containing the message. So we can, from the inbox, jump through to the record itself or the actual message. So what we'll do first of all is jump in and take a look at an example of the SMS inbox in action. So what we're going to do in this example is we're on a lead record, and we're going to be sending a message out to Mick Fanning, who is a lead we've got in the system. We're going to send it out via the SMS feed here on his record. So you'll see on the right hand side I've automatically received the text message as being Mick, so I'm able to jump in and I can view the message. And now as Mick I'm able to reply to that message. Now in the meantime what I might have done is actually disappeared off to do something else in Salesforce. I don't want to have to sit and wait on Mick's record to view the SMS feed, but in the SMS inbox we will be able to see that message coming in. So Mick's going to reply to the message now. So Mick responds. Mercury processes that message and it will automatically pop into the SMS inbox. So you can see that I've automatically received my new message in the inbox. As I say, I can see the message details there. I'm able to click through and look at the task record, so I can see the actual detail. Alternatively, I'm able to click straight through onto Mick's record, where I can access the feed and I'll be able to reply again. In this section we're going to take a look at how we can configure the SMS inbox to be used in the sidebar of the Salesforce Classic user interface. So you can see from my example here I'm currently not displaying the SMS inbox on my sidebar. So first of all we're going to jump in and show you how to add it to the home page. First of all we need to go to Setup. Then we click on Customize, Home, Home Page Layouts. If you have multiple home page layouts, you'll need to apply this to every single one that you want the SMS inbox to apply to. So what we're going to do is click on Edit. First of all, we're going to tick the box to say we want to display the SMS inbox. Click Next. And we can then choose where we have that displaying in the left hand column. So I'm going to move that to the top. Now I'm going to click Save, and when I navigate back to the home page you'll see I now have the SMS inbox displayed. If I go to any other object or record in the system, you'll see at this stage the SMS inbox isn't being displayed on any other record or page. So we can make that sidebar display right through the system in Salesforce Classic. So now that it's been added onto the home page, what we're able to do is add it to everywhere else. So we'll click on Setup again, scroll down to Customize, scroll right down to User Interface, and we want to make sure that this sidebar setting here, show custom sidebar components on all pages, is set to true. Once we've set that to true, click Save, and now if we go to any record or home tab for any object, you'll see that we are also seeing the SMS inbox. You're also able to add the SMS inbox to your home page in Lightning Experience. To do this, you need to create a custom home page via the Lightning App Builder, which you can do by following these steps. First of all, click Setup, navigate to User Interface, and select Lightning App Builder. We're going to create a new page. We're going to select the home page. Click Next, enter a name, and click Next. Then click Finish. To replicate the existing default home page with the SMS inbox added onto it, we simply need to drag on the relevant components. So first of all, we're going to drag the quarterly performance chart into the top section. I'm going to drag upcoming events down here, and we're going to drag today's tasks into the other component. Down the bottom, we're able to see our custom components, so it's the Mercury feed that we want to have, so we're going to drag that up onto the top right section, and that will drop in the SMS inbox. And then underneath that, just to finish it off, we're going to pull in the assistant, which is the other default component. So what we've done there is just replicated the default page, and we've added in the SMS inbox component to it. So we can now click on Save and Activate. So we're going to set this as the default home page, so we're going to just click Next and Activate. Now if we go back to the home page in Lightning Experience and refresh that page, you'll see we now have the SMS inbox available right from the home page inside Lightning. You can also provide access to the SMS inbox from the Salesforce One mobile app. You can make it available directly from the menu and access the core feature as shown earlier in the demo. If you would like to have the SMS inbox available from your Salesforce One mobile app, it's a simple case of adding it to your navigation menu. Let's jump in and do that now. You'll see by looking on the right hand side of the screen that I currently don't have the SMS inbox available in my navigation menu. We're going to quickly jump into Salesforce and add that in. We click Setup, Mobile Administration, Salesforce One Navigation, and then we make sure that we're moving SMS inbox from available to selected, and we'll choose where we want that to be located. We save that, then we go back to the app and refresh, and you'll see now that it's automatically appearing in the navigation menu. We can select that, and we now have visibility of the SMS inbox from Salesforce One, and you can see the messages automatically pop in as they're coming in real time. You can also configure the SMS inbox to work with the console inside Salesforce. You're able to add the SMS inbox to the console so you have real-time visibility of your inbound text messages. Your inbox is a component that is accessible from the bottom right corner of the console. Let's jump in and take a look. You'll see in my current console view I currently haven't got the SMS inbox configured. We're now going to jump in and configure it to see how it's done. First of all, we click Setup, then Customize, scroll down to Console, and we're going to select Custom Console Components. Click on New, provide a name, where it says component, make sure it's selected as Visual Force page, and you want to select SMS Inbox. We recommend setting the width to 300 and the height to 600. Click Save. Now we'll need to go and add that custom component to the console app that we have created already. So click on Create, Apps. I'm going to add that to my Mercury console. I'm going to scroll down and it will now be available as a console component. So I'm going to select that, click on Save. So now when I go back to the console, you'll see we have access to the SMS inbox down the bottom. I can open that up, and as messages are received, they'll automatically pop into the SMS inbox, and I can immediately open the record directly inside the console. Using the SMS feed, I'll be able to communicate straight back to the client. By adding the SMS inbox to the console, you'll be able to provide your call center staff with another communication channel that allows them to stay right inside the console and communicate with their customers and prospects.